So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 93,791. I didn't make videos yesterday, so I took one day off, and things have not changed except for the continuation of downward trend. Hopefully it will go further down and create a beautiful structure. We are heading towards the neckline of 92,500, something I had shared quite a while ago, that this is the neckline. This was one top, this was second top. That is taking forever. Now after it breaks 92,500, finally we will lose 90k and we can start our downward journey. But of course there will be a stop at 90k as well. Unfortunately, I cannot offer a smoother ride with Bitcoin because things have turned horrible since we lost our bullish support of $102,000. But the best part is that we were able to say goodbye to Bitcoin way early before we could get stuck with this horrible drama. We didn't use 100k. In between we changed it to 102 because that turned to be a more reliable indicator. Now since we have lost 102, everything that has happened is all fake so far, and we have ended up creating a double top. Now if Bitcoin starts getting bullish and starts pumping from here, then this will become a double bottom, but it needs to reverse. Otherwise, if it loses 92.5, then our last stop is 90, and after 90 we are heading towards 85. There will be no in-between stop. It will be rather more comfortable to land at 85 as a more direct journey. Let me just see if there is anything else. Nope. 85. If 85 makes sense. Otherwise the last stop is at 74,600, something like that. It will be interesting. But what is more interesting is what I shared in my Telegram. Just a second. There's not much to share these days, but I saw this, so I shared it. It's the ETF situation right now. If you look at the ETF from previous 7 days, one thing that has happened is that there was only one green day and the rest of the days are red, which means that they have only purchased once, and even those who purchased, if you look at it, they went ahead and they sold. So even the purchase at that day wasn't a true purchase. 50% of that was sold back again next day. I don't know why the hell did they buy it one day only to sell it next day. Maybe were just making 5% of profit or something like that. I don't know what the hell they had in their mind. But we had 7 days of ETF. 5 were red. One was holiday, which was 25th of December, and one was green. So it doesn't look very promising. It doesn't look really good that I would say that ETF is getting bullish. And if ETF is not getting bullish, retailers, they don't have the energy or the money to push Bitcoin at such higher prices. The bigger they are, the harder they are to push. That's something that maybe people don't understand. So ETF reporting is on 11th of January. They have 12 more days left, I think. 12 or 13 days. And in between, anything can happen. Some of them might have not sold yet. But one thing that is, one person that is selling religiously, who is the biggest in ETF, and that's Grayscale. Grayscale, they are selling every day as if it's their daily activity to do. So they haven't stopped. But nothing else has changed for Bitcoin, to be honest with you. It is playing inside the ranges. Of course, it is not bullish in any form. For it to become bullish, it needs to go above 102. And until and unless it doesn't go above 102, there is no story of 120. Everything that will happen would be just to catch people off guard, make them marry Bitcoin for next 4 years and let them lose that 100k that they had. And after that, of course, Bitcoin can then dump and it can stay down. Let's see how it plays out. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.